My name is Nate Wurzak with Southeastern Roofing. We're here at 1907 Cedar Grove Drive, and we're going to be attempting to repair this wind crease shingle. And you can see here through the installation of the new nails that I've been letting the shingle rest on the back of my fist as instructed by Allstate adjusters. Not to lift the shingle more than 45 degrees in order to secure the nail underneath. As you can see here, a crease is starting to form on the shingles directly above the repair, and even tearing and starting to rip the shingles on the edges, showing non-repairability and that the shingles will be further damaged.